This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the TradingView desktop app. First, download and install the application from the official website. Once installed, log in using your existing TradingView account credentials. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main interface, including the menu bar and various panel layouts. This initial setup ensures you're ready to explore all its powerful features. Now, let's dive into charting. Easily select any asset and choose your preferred time frame, from 1 minute to 1 month. You can apply hundreds of indicators, like moving averages or RSI, and use drawing tools such as trend lines or Fibonacci retracements. Personalize your chart's appearance by adjusting colors, candle types, and scaling options to suit your analytical style. Managing your favorite assets is simple with watch lists. Create multiple lists to organize different sectors or strategies. Adding symbols is quick and easy, keeping your most important instruments at your fingertips. Crucially, set up price alerts to notify you when specific conditions are met, ensuring you never miss a critical market move, even when away from your screen. Finally, optimize your workspace for maximum productivity. Save your preferred chart layouts, allowing you to switch between different analysis setups instantly. If you use multiple monitors, synchronize your layouts to maintain a consistent view across all screens. Don't forget to explore the application settings to fine-tune performance and personalize your overall TradingView experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.